Okay, Yuvanshi, so the question you asked me is given on the screen. So it is given 3 charges plus 4q. Here q is small q, comma capital Q, comma small q are placed in a straight line of length capital L at a point of distance 0, comma L by 2, comma L respectively. What should be the value of Q in order to make net force on Q to be 0? So let's make diagram first and we'll understand. So suppose I have this line, this straight line, and here it is 0, and at the other end complete L distance. So it means L by 2. This L by 2 will be in between 0 and L. Okay, no problem. Then 4q is placed here, 4q, and capital Q is placed here and small q is placed here. So now in question it is asking what should be the value of Q, means this one. What should be its value? In order to make net force on this small q charge should be 0, it means there are two forces, one from because of this charge and one because of this charge will act on this charge, but it should be 0. It should be 0. Now concept is when a force should be 0. So force is 0 when two equal amount of forces are acting on an object with a opposite direction, then only force it should be 0. Okay, so now see, so how much force this 4q charge will exert on this small q charge. So that will be given by Coulomb's law, and that is nothing but k into 4q into q divided by r square, and r is here 0 to L, that is L square. Okay, and how much force this capital Q will exert on this charge? So that is given by Coulomb's law, k into capital Q into small q divided by, and this distance, this is L by 2 and this is L. It means this distance is L by 2. So L by 2 the whole square. So basically what you will get, suppose this is equation 1, and this equation implies that k q into q divided by L square by 4, and 4 will come here. So 4, denominator 4 will go to the numerator. Okay, suppose this is equation 2. According to question, add both the forces. So k into 4q into q divided by L square plus 4k q into small q divided by L square, that should be equal to 0. So I can write this equation as k 4q square upon L square is equal to minus 4k q into q divided by L square. So this L square, this square will cancel, this k and this k will cancel, this 4 will get cancelled. Okay, so what you will get, this implies that q square is equal to q into, actually a be cancelled here, no problem. So this q will get cancelled with minus sign. It means q should be equal to minus q. Okay, so means this charge. So what was question? So what should be the value of q? So this should be equal to minus q. Now this is plus q and this is plus 4q. So this will exert force in this direction, and this is minus q. So this will try to attract this charge in this direction. See, suppose this is F1, this is F2. So both the forces are opposite. and magnitude will be equal because this distance matter in Coulomb's law. So this is your q is to minus q is your answer. I hope doubt is clear. Thank you for watching.